Hello everyone, I hope everyone is absolutely fine. Today I have a very important topic for you all. देखिए दोस्तों, बात इतना सा है, इस चाइना's इकोनॉमिक डोमिनेंस एट एन इन्फ्लेक्शन पॉइंट. अगर आप लोगों को पता नहीं है कि इन्फ्लेक्शन क्या है, सो मैं आप लोग को समझा देता हूँ इन्फ्लेक्शन क्या है. सी, inflection point as per Google says the point of a curve at which a change in the direction of curvature occurs. So क्या चाइना एक ऐसे पॉइंट पे खड़ा हो गया है जहाँ पे वो वर्ल्ड डोमिनेंसी या ही इज़ गोइंग टू डू समथिंग दैट जस्ट गोइंग टू चेंज द कोर्स ऑफ द हिस्ट्री इन फ्यूचर. मतलब क्या, वी आर थिंकिंग राइट नाउ कि the world is going in a USA way, and then suddenly China is in a point where it changes, and now it's the China way, राइट. सो ये हार्वर्ड बिजनेस रिव्यू है, आप लोग भी जाके इसको पढ़ सकते हैं. एंड इट हैज़ गिवन ए ग्रेट डेफ्ट, राइट, अ वेरी ग्रेट डेफ्ट. सो देखिए, बात ये है दैट चाइना हैज़ स्लोली and steadily with its internal policy and putting money into its own world, in its own economy, has created such a massive ecosystem of manufacturing and then researching and then R&D and then scientifically researching, and then he's doing research in every goddamn field that USA can, and fighting with every western country, India and Pakistan and these type of countries, Russia, Japan. He doesn't even consider nowadays economic power, trade power, manufacturing power, whole western. If whatever they deny, how much they deny, it doesn't matter. They are relying on China on every aspect. India is just a substitute. Even if India doesn't exist tomorrow, it doesn't matter. They can survive with China. I'm very sadly to say this, right? And we Indians, what are we doing? वी आर डूइंग अफसोस कि हम लोग को एक अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिल रहा है. देयर आर सो मच टैलेंट इन द नेशन, एंड व्हाट आर वी डूइंग? वी आर स्ट्राइकिंग, वी आर डूइंग प्रोटेस्ट, वी आर डूइंग भारत बंद. सी, these things sadden me a lot, but what can we do? Anyway, we predict that China would likely account for more than companies on the Fortune Global 500 list than any other country. So in future, Fortune list will be topped by Chinese company. क्यों? Because they are just doing everything so efficiently. We also predict that China's position in the top would be short-lived. क्यों? Because China is moving way too fast and it will stubble down somewhere. But that may not be true, right? Because this is a Western blog, so they are going to write something against it. But deep down, every nation knows that what China power is. It is getting, its navy is getting powerful, its people are getting powerful. The most important thing, purchasing power of its people is getting up. Its people are actually tough one, right? Japan and Europe have bottomed out. Virtually all of China's giants over the past 2 decades have come to the expense of Japan and Europe. Just in the last 4 years, a period that spans COVID plus recovery, Japan lost 12 firms from the Europe. So see, this is what is happening. All other countries are slowly losing to quantity over quality, right? People are moving from poor to middle class to rich, and those movement from the bottom to the top requires people to save their money and also making sure that they live a life which has a slight luxury in it. Japanese, European, American, Western, these things are top in quality, but they are not affordable by everyone. Though Japan has entered in the market, yet China's dominancy in mobile phone, in manufacturing, and if tomorrow Japan says no to all other countries and starts manufacturing its own, the world will just shake up. तो यही है कुछ कहानी, एक छोटी सी, जहाँ पे हम लोग को एक सच मालूम पड़ रहा है दैट ओवर रिलायंस ऑन अ कंट्री इज़ सो बैड. और इसमें एक आम आदमी कुछ नहीं कर सकता है, बिकॉज एक आम आदमी अपना घर देखेगा, खुद को देखेगा, अपना जेब देखेगा. इट इज़ द कंट्री, इट इज़ आवर नेशन दैट रिक्वायर्स द गट्स टू मेक पॉलिसीज़. और हमारे यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? हमारे यहाँ वही पैसे के पीछे भागे जा रहे हैं. नो वन इज इंटरेस्टेड इन डूइंग एनी डेवलपमेंट टू द नेशन. आई होप कि आप लोग ये समझ पाएँ, ये चीज़ याद रखें. और हाँ, देश को कैसे बढ़ाएं, क्योंकि जब जनता आवाज़ उठाएगी तब देश उठेगा. थैंक यू एवरीवन. आई होप you like the video.